If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm super happy to introduce you to the Brunella bag. Isn't she beautiful? Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So you can see here, she's got two short grab handles, two longer shoulder length handles on the front. I just love these buckles. They're completely decorative. Well, actually, they'll hold that the strap on, of course. It has a magnetic slip pocket here that's a decent size and that will fit a phone for sure. On the back, we have a large zipper pocket that goes all the way down to the bottom. Whoops, purse feet. Recess zipper. And on the inside, we have a large zipper pocket as well as two slip pockets. This bag can be made in multiple colors if you wanted to. You could definitely do color blocking if you wanted to order one in that, or just leave it as a solid color like I have done here. It can be made in vinyls, leathers, cottons, canvases, whatever your heart desires. I can make this for you. I just love it. It is the perfect, I would say, medium to a large bag. It definitely will hold like your iPad or a small laptop or notebook or whatever. No problem. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is listed down below. And if you're part of the bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, see you guys again. Bye-bye.